Did you know that the last blood moon of 2025 will coincide with a total lunar eclipse, making it one of the most breathtaking celestial events of the year? Mark your calendars, because this September, the moon will turn a deep, eerie red, a true blood moon. Hello everyone, welcome to Night Lense. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the night sky, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving into the last blood moon of 2025, what it is, why it matters, and how you can experience it like a true sky watcher. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just someone who loves gazing at the stars, this is an event you won't want to miss. Now, there is a catch. While this lunar eclipse will be visible to over 77% of the world's population, North America won't be part of that lucky group. For viewers in the US, the moon will have already set by the time the eclipse begins. But don't worry, there are still ways to witness this cosmic spectacle. I've already bookmarked a few live streams, including the Virtual Telescope project on YouTube. They will be broadcasting the eclipse in real time with expert commentary. It's not quite the same as seeing it in person, but with the right setup, dim lights, a good screen, maybe some ambient music, it can still feel magical. And if you're like me, you've probably tried catching a lunar eclipse before only to be thwarted by clouds or bad timing. That's why planning is key. I'll share some tips later on to help you create the perfect viewing experience, even if it's virtual. Many YouTubers have detailed videos about the science of a lunar eclipse, so I'll keep mine short. A blood moon occurs during a total lunar eclipse when the Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon. The Earth's shadow casts a reddish hue on the moon due to Rayleigh scattering, which is the same phenomenon that gives us stunning sunsets. But this isn't just science, it's also steeped in symbolism. Across cultures, blood moons have been seen as omens, transitions, and spiritual awakenings. In ancient Babylon, they were thought to foretell the fate of kings. For others, it marks a time of reflection and renewal. The last blood moon of 2025 is especially significant because it's the longest total lunar eclipse since 2022, with 82 minutes of totality. It occurs just 2.6 days before perigee, meaning the moon will appear slightly larger and more dramatic. It is also a part of a near tetrad of eclipses, making it a rare sequence in lunar cycles. So while it's easy to get caught up in the visuals, there's a deeper layer here. One that connects us to ancient sky watchers and modern scientists alike. Here's when to watch. On the night of September 7th through the 8th, 2025, totality begins around 5:30 p.m. UTC. Maximum eclipse, 6:11 p.m. UTC. Totality ends, 6:52 p.m. UTC. Partial eclipse ends, 7:56 p.m. UTC. The best viewing locations include India, China, Japan, Western Australia, parts of Africa, Europe, and New Zealand. If you're in North America like me, live streams are probably your best bet. I'll be tuning in from Southern California, probably with a cup of coffee and a notebook to sketch the phases as they unfold. It's a tradition I started a few years ago, documenting eclipses not just with photos, but with thoughts and impressions. It helps me to feel more connected to the moment. And if you're planning a watch party, even virtually, consider adding a few fun touches: moon-themed snacks, red lighting, or even a telescope cam if your friends happen to be in a visible zone. The September 2025 blood moon is more than just a visual marvel. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos. With its deep red glow and extended totality, this eclipse offers a rare moment of connection between science, history, and wonder. Even if you can't see it in person, technology allows us to share the experience globally. There's something humbling about watching the moon disappear and re-emerge, knowing that people across the world are looking up at the same sky. It's one of those rare moments where time, geography, and culture seem to pause, and we all become sky watchers. Have you ever witnessed a blood moon before? If so, drop your stories in the comments below because I'd love to hear them. And if you're planning to watch this one, let me know where you'll be tuning in from. I might even feature a few of your locations in a follow-up video. And of course, if you want more cosmic content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. There's a whole universe out there, and we're just getting started.